how to create Stremio account. So if you want to create Stremio account, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have Stremio app installed. To do that, you need to open up your Play Store and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And from the search, you need to search for Stremio. Once you've searched, if you find the application, you need to go and install it. But if it is not found in your Google Play Store, then you need to go with your Google or your browser and then search for Stremio app download. Now find the Google Play link or go with the official site, which is stremio.com, and then just scroll down a bit and you will have the download button. You need to just simply go and download. Once you've downloaded, you need to open up your Stremio. Or if you don't find the application, you can also go with your browser. So go with Stremio register, and then you need to go with the first website, which is register Stremio, and this will take you to the register page. Now from here, you'll be able to sign up your account or create your account. So enter your email address in the first blank, and then enter your password, and then confirm your password again, and accept the terms and conditions, accept the privacy policy, and also accept all of the other buttons. Just scroll all the way down and then go with got it, which will be on the bottom, and then you need to tap on sign up. Once you tap on sign up, your account has been created. That's it. That's how you can create your Stremio account. Now you can go with your application and log into your account with the credentials that you've just entered. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.